Hair fall is something almost everyone faces at some point. And while we often think we know the cause, the truth might surprise you. Most of us blame the wrong things, while the real culprits continue quietly damaging our hair from the inside. So in this video, we'll bust some common hair fall myths and reveal the actual root causes of hair loss, the ones that science supports but most people ignore. Stay with me till the end, your hair deserves the truth. What people think causes hair loss, myths. 1. Washing hair daily. Many believe shampooing too often causes hair loss. Truth, shampooing doesn't cause hair to fall unless you're using harsh chemical-based shampoos that strip your scalp. Hair that falls during washing was already in the shedding phase. 2. Cutting hair frequently. People think trimming boosts growth or prevents fall. Truth, hair is dead protein, cutting it doesn't affect hair growth from the roots. 3. Wearing hats or hijabs. Some believe covering the scalp causes baldness. Truth, no, it doesn't. Unless the headwear is extremely tight or dirty, it has nothing to do with follicle damage. 4. Oil equals hair growth miracle. Many rely heavily on oils thinking it will regrow hair. Truth, oils condition the hair and improve shine, but they don't regrow hair from damaged follicles. What actually causes hair loss, the real root causes? 1. Hormonal imbalances. Especially in women, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, pregnancy, menopause, thyroid disorders can cause severe hair thinning. Hormones like DHT, dihydrotestosterone, in men shrink hair follicles and cause male pattern baldness. 2. Nutritional deficiencies. Iron, zinc, biotin, vitamin D all are crucial for healthy hair. A poor diet or sudden weight loss can cause hair to shed faster than normal. Example, many women with low iron, anemia, experience chronic hair loss. 3. Chronic stress. Physical or emotional stress pushes hair into the telogen, resting phase, causing it to fall out 2 to 3 months later. Stress affects hormone levels and immune responses, leading to telogen effluvium or even autoimmune hair loss, alopecia areata. 4. Genetics. If baldness runs in your family, you might be predisposed to it. But here's the thing, genes are not always destiny. Lifestyle and diet can slow down genetic hair fall. 5. Harsh hair treatments. Frequent bleaching, straightening, tight hairstyles, like tight buns, braids, cause traction alopecia, permanent damage to hair follicles due to tension or chemicals. 6. Medical conditions and medications. Certain medications, for blood pressure, acne, depression, chemotherapy, autoimmune diseases like lupus can trigger major hair loss. Example, post-COVID hair loss was common due to viral shock to the body. 7. Poor scalp health. Dandruff, scalp infections, clogged pores all weaken the environment where hair grows. A dirty or inflamed scalp equals unhealthy roots. It's time to stop blaming your shampoo or your haircut and start looking deeper.